Yo guys, real quick, let me show you something that is cooking on Solana right now. Remember Blum TG was a few days ago. So how much did you make from it? Or were you just grinding and wasting your time for nothing? Let's be real. One of the reasons you ended up with almost nothing from Blum, TapSwap and all those airdrops is because millions of people joined. So one of the things about airdrop is that the more the number of people who participate in the airdrop, the lesser your chances of being able to make something reasonable for yourself. And most of this airdrop that is usually overcrowded, the only set of people that makes most of the money are usually the influencers, because they're actually going to be making money from referral bonuses. What if I show you an airdrop that is just for a few number of people, where just a random person has a chance of being able to make something reasonable for himself? Now, there is this project called Metadops. It's the first GrindFi and SocialFi community on Solana. They love grinders and they are rewarding early adopters big time. They are currently running an airdrop that is ending in just a few days. And the interesting part is that this airdrop is just for a limited number of people. Once it's gone, it's gone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to participate in this airdrop and multiple other means to earn consistently from it. Here's why I'm confident this airdrop will cook. Unlike the overcrowded airdrops, Metadops is just for 10,000 people. At the time of making this video, we have less than 2 months before it ends. Talk about Metadogs Airdrop and earn while building your page. Stay active and engage with your official X posts and complete quests to earn sweet bones and rewards. Join the official Telegram Arena quests, recruit, score and dominate, and rack up points to climb the leaderboard. Is this just another shitcoin? No, don't think that Metadogs is just another shitcoin out there. Metadogs has real utility that will make its token valuable. So I'm going to list a few number of their utility for you. They have a bot that helps other projects launch their token on Solana. You can use their bots to trade tokens, analyze the market and track wallet balances. You can create liquidity pools and mint NFTs using their bots. Other projects can use their bots to create, manage and distribute airdrops. This project is so sophisticated, and if you are watching this video right now, then you are very lucky. So now I'm going to be walking you through exactly how to participate in this airdrop. So you need just 2 things to participate in this airdrop, and the first thing you need is your Twitter account, while the second one is your Telegram. To get started, I would suggest you go to your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and log in your Twitter account. And the next thing you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video to get started. Once you've been able to sign up, make sure you link and authorize your Twitter account. This way, it is difficult for cheaters to join with multiple accounts. The next thing you want to do is to join the Telegram community and verify. To do that, click on Join Telegram and then click on this link to join Telegram. Tap to verify, join their Telegram, go back to Metadogs and request for a code. Then you go back to Telegram, the bot will give you a link. Tap the link and get your code. Go back to Metadogs, submit the code, and boom, you are done with verification. After the verification, you start completing quests to earn rewards. At the time of recording this video, there are 2 types of quests: daily quests, which can also be considered as the normal quests, and then we have special quests. Under the normal quest, this particular one, you will need to make a post on X about Metadogs, and then you copy the link, take it to the application, submit the link, and then claim your reward. This is going to earn you 200 bones. For this quest, all you need to do is to click it. It's going to take you to X. Then you read, like, and comment. Go back to Metadogs and claim some bones. And then you move on to the next quest. Now let's talk about special quests. This happens occasionally and pays higher rewards. With this quest, you can earn up to 1,000 bones or even more. To participate, just click on special quest and check if there are available quests. Check out the criteria and then participate. Make sure you do your best to check the special quest page regularly to find out if there are quests for you to participate in, so you don't miss out, because they are literally going to be giving you more bones. Do you want to earn more? You can refer your friends to Metadogs, but this is optional. and you can track your ranking on your profile or leaderboard. After TGE, you'll be able to stake and earn either SO, Metadops tokens, bot fees, or USDC. If lots of airdrops have disappointed in the past, then don't miss out on this one. I'll drop the link in the description so you can start stacking bones today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want fast and early airdrop updates that actually make sense. Let's cook. Peace.